YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be an exciting unboxing, something totally unexpected that arose out of a previous purchase, which I'll get to in a second. But first, I want to show you my bag of the day. This is an unboxing slash reveal, and the reveal is the new luggage tag that I found on eBay for my new Speedy 25 in the denim. And I couldn't be happier with how it looks. I also put one of Next Fashion's, I think he calls this one his vision chain, or at least he used to, because it kind of looks like binoculars when you look at it like that. But I paired my new luggage tag with one of Next Fashion's vision chains, and when you put the handles down, I love how that just peeks out like it does. And so the first reveal is already done, the new Louis Vuitton luggage tag, and I may take this and get it stamped the next time I'm on vacation, which would be here in about a month when I go see Taylor Swift in New Orleans. So I may get a stamp there for this particular tag. The reason I was inspired to make the purchase that I'm going to unbox with you today is because I ordered a strap for this bag. We looked at this strap in a video together, and I had several of you tell me that you didn't care for it with the Trianon PM, and that's okay. I don't mind getting that kind of feedback because I kind of agree with you. I do think once you pull it up a little ways away from the Trianon and you have it just hooked to the D-rings, that it matches pretty darn well. It's hard to tell with all my clutter in the background. It's not a perfect match, and the strap that comes with this bag is comfortable, so I don't really need to use this strap with this bag. And kind of by happy accident, when I did that other video, which I'll link down below, I discovered that this strap by Louis Vuitton matches my Marc Jacobs the tote bag in cement absolutely perfectly, in my opinion. And I normally don't mix brands, but Marc Jacobs did design for Louis Vuitton, and the Louis Vuitton on the strap is so subtle. I don't feel like it competes with the tote bag and Marc Jacobs that's printed on this bag at all. But my mind got to turning and thinking that it would be really cool to get another bag by Marc Jacobs in this color. And so that's what the unboxing today is all about. I ordered one of these bags in the past, and I think it was in the 27 size. I was into slightly bigger bags then. And I ended up not keeping that one because it was white. And when I got it, there was some damage to the color on the bag. There was parts of it where the white wasn't there. And so I got to check out the style. And because of that, I knew that I liked the style. So whenever I went to looking for a cement bag on eBay and other pre-loved websites, I was looking for this style in particular. I ended up removing the receipt, but look how beautiful this is. She included these little shiny butterflies, which I think are so pretty. I might actually keep those. They're rose gold, and put them up as a little decoration in my closet somewhere. I really like that. The seller I bought this from doesn't have that many listings, but she does have amazing feedback, and I'm going to go on eBay and leave her a good review. Look at all of this padding. You're starting to be able to see the vision. Probably this would look slightly better if it was stuffed or had some items in it, but this is the Softshot 21 in color black, and it's got the most luscious cement colored leather with a pebbled black leather sides and bottom, as well as a black zipper tape. And I know already this is a keeper. Even though this is, I guess, technically pre-loved because somebody else had it, it still has the tags attached. So we're going to cut the tags off together. If I don't cut myself in the process, since I'm looking at you instead of the scissors. So on the Softshot 21, there is a back pocket. It's not quite big enough for your phone, but you could stick your phone in the upright position like this if you were in the store or something and just needed a place to stash it. So I really like that. You could also slip your card holder there, but I would be worried about losing it. There are two pockets, and this one has credit card slots in it. so you could really condense your wallets if you needed extra space. And in this pocket up front is the strap. So you know that I'm going to put the Louis Vuitton strap on this bag, or at least I think you probably have figured that out by now. But I have plans for this strap too. Now, I imagine this strap will look fabulous on this bag as it was intended to. But when I saw this strap, I immediately thought of my Dior Caro bag. And so I am very excited to try this out with my Dior Caro with you for the first time, and you will have to let me know what you think. Dior straps, if you buy their guitar type jacquard straps, they have great big clips just like this. And so I think the vibe or the aesthetic of this strap will be amazing with my Caro. And then of course, the bag, I'm excited to try it with my Louis Vuitton Cousin strap that I just showed you. Let's go ahead and move what I have in here quickly over to the Softshot and just see how well it all fits. Look inside here. I got a gorgeous blue insert, and this is in the thinner felt from Zoomoni. There's 2 pockets on this side. There's another 2 pockets on that side. It makes my Speedy 25 have just a little more shape, still be slouchy. I wanted to make sure this Speedy still had the slouch factor, but it gives it just that tiniest boost, protects the interior, and gives me 4 pockets, which is amazing. So first I'm going to see if this pouch fits inside of the Softshot, and it does. It is absolutely perfect. I'm actually going to put that up in the front because this will give the front of the bag shape and keep things from bulging out that I put behind it. Also in the front, I'm going to put my pouch. I've got a couple different pouches that I'm going to put probably both in the front. This bag has oodles of room. It's really surprising considering it's the 21 size. I'm going to put my 2 Louis Vuitton clays in the back, as well as my card holder. So far, I'm not really having to do anything as far as organization. Everything is just slotting in there super easily. And I only have a few things left, like my AirPods. I'll just stick that in the front. My car key, I'll slide that in the back. My medicine pouch, I'll slide that in the back. Having the 2 compartments is surprisingly nice because it keeps things sort of stacked nicely, if that makes sense. And the bag itself is looking better and better as I put things inside of it. I've got this little nosebleed pack. I'm going to stick that in the credit card slot. So now my Speedy 25 is completely empty and everything is easily inside of the Softshot 21. And this is that beautiful liner that I was trying to show you whenever I had all my stuff inside. And you can see how the structure is without it. And I love the slouch, but check out the difference. It just has a little bit of shape. You can still moosh it like I want to, but having that organizer in keeps the base from completely caving in whenever I'm holding it, and it gives you those pockets. And a lot of times with organizers like this, the sides will flop down when you put stuff inside, but this one seems to be really well balanced in terms of the height of the sides. I didn't put anything heavy in the pockets, but I was able to put a little bit bigger key fob in the side pocket, and it worked great. So thank you, Zoomoni, for gifting me that organizer. My code with Zoomoni is HBHW20 if you want to save 20% off, and I will link their website with my code down below. Now everything is inside this bag. Let's zip it up. Zipper is buttery smooth. Some people do not like that the zippers are on opposite sides when they're closed or open, but I actually love that because I love the look of these hanging down and being balanced on both sides. The outfit that I'm wearing is pretty much the same color as the bag. It's a little bit more yellow, but this is from Shopbop. It's a Z Supply outfit, and I will link it down below. I love these. I now have 3 sets. I've got this color, I have like a denim color, I have a black color, and I have a green color. I have 4 sets, but I'll link this one down below if it's still available on Shopbop. A lot of them have just completely sold out. I'll link Z Supply down below too because they have some sizes of them, but in this particular combo for me, it was sold out there. So here is the bag, crossbody with the strap it came with, and I do have to put the buckle on the back side of me because if I don't, It hurts me up here just a little bit, just a little bit. And if I was wearing it with something else that had a little bit of padding, like a shacket or something, it would be totally fine, because I'm talking, it just barely bothers me, and I am wearing a tank top. This strap is very long, and so I would like to actually shorten it to the shortest setting for my Caro bag, which I'm going to show you now with this strap. But because of where this falls, I don't want to shorten it anymore, because I really don't want it to come too close to the beautiful detail that's right here. I'm not done with the Softshot yet. In just a second, I'm going to show you this bag with the Louis Vuitton strap, and I'm telling you, you don't want to miss it. But let's pick up my Dior Caro bag. Now, I know there's been a lot of controversy with Dior. I did purchase this Dior bag before all of that happened, and I do believe that they're working to fix that situation. I spoke with my rep with Dior, who I've bought one bag from, about it, and while I'm not buying anything from them currently, I do think that they're working to resolve the situation and make things better. And I did purchase these before the whole scandal happened, and I do plan on still wearing these because I really like them, and it's not the bag's fault, right? This bag comes with a chain strap with a leather break that's thinner than this. And I did buy a jacquard guitar-like strap for this bag, and I love it with my Paris 15. This is my navy Paris 15, and I've got her decked out with a Coach C chain and the Christian Dior strap that I bought to go with my Caro bag. And look how cute is that combo. And I love that the Dior clips are dog leash style, just like the C chain. It just coordinates so well. And in a way, the Marc Jacobs clips actually match my Caro bag better than the Dior clips, because they're shiny, and the Caro hardware is shiny, while this Paris 15 has the brushed gold hardware just like the Dior strap does. So I am really loving this combo. I'm going to put it on with the original strap real quick so you can see the difference. The original strap for this bag is beautiful, particularly as a shoulder bag like this, but I just love the Marc Jacobs as a different option to wear it with a thicker strap in a similar kind of leather. It's just a fun way to switch things up. So now the moment you've all been waiting for, or at least I've been waiting for. I'm going to attach the grayish colored Louis Vuitton strap. I can't remember the name of the color. I think it was gray/taupe or something very creative like that, but not quite turtle dove. So here is the beautiful strap with the Marc Jacobs Softshot 21, and guess what? The thing I love about it the most so far is that the strap has these U-shaped clips, which match, in my opinion, the silhouette of the double J's on the front. And I wish it stood out for my shirt a little more, but I don't have time to change. Is that not the cutest? Guys, I absolutely love this. I hope you have enjoyed this strappy little video. You can find these bags pre-loved, well, new but pre-loved, for around $200 to $250. And I think that they're worth it. The leather feels amazing. Smells amazing too, and the hardware is really nice and substantial. I hope I don't get it all scratched up. I'll just have to be really careful, because I can't find hardware protectors for this bag. If you know of a place I can get them, please let me know, but I think that the Snapshot ones are smaller, and those are the only ones I have found online at Have Deluxe, and I'll link them down below. But I think that this is a bigger piece of hardware, so those won't work, and I don't really want to take the risk unless somebody knows. But that'll do it for this fabulous Friday. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It is the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.